In my personal experience, I find Windows 10 to be having better user experience than Windows 8. Hi, this is your host Harish Bali from Technofare.com. In this tutorial, I am going to list down 10 things which will help you in some way learning Windows 10. I'll start with the first one, which is about Start menu. This is the app drawer. You can resize it by simply dragging it. Move apps within the drawer the way you like them to be placed. If you want to uninstall an app, you can do that directly from here. Do a right click and uninstall it. And if you want to pin it to a taskbar, just click on pin to start or pin to taskbar. Access of apps on Windows 10 is super easy. For that, simply click on all apps, alphabet. If I want to access maps, I'll click on M. Here are the maps. Not just that, you can even make changes in background color or show recent apps on the start menu. For that, go to settings, personalization. These changes can be made from the colors tab or from the start menu tab. Second feature that I'm going to cover is about offline maps on Windows 10. To download an offline map, go to start menu, settings, system, offline maps from the left hand side navigation. You will need to click on download maps and then go to the region, then your country, and download map of your country or your state. I have already downloaded maps of 2 cities which I'll show you. These are the maps. Now to access maps in offline mode, I'll switch off my Wi-Fi connection and show you how it works. One point where Windows 10 map scores over Google Map is I can download map of my country in one go and access it offline, which is not possible on Google Maps. Google Maps allows me to access an area which is 50 by 50 square kilometer in one go in offline mode. Let me now show you how to access the map. On the search bar, type maps. Now to navigate direction, I'll click on directions icon. This is, let's say, my current location, Indira Gandhi International Airport, to Taj Palace Hotel. These are the few options it's showing. Go. I can go ahead and set my speed settings the way I would like to here. Continue. Click anywhere on the map. Show route, and this is the direction. I use the search bar for various things what one would normally not expect. I go to the search bar and type amazon.com. Enter. Here it opens Amazon on the browser. I type youtube.com on the search bar. It opens YouTube for me. Not only that, I can straight away go to the search bar and type a search query like best micro SD cards for smartphones. Enter. It shows me results on a big search engine. Moreover, I can look for a document which is on OneDrive. So there's a document by the name test. Here it is. It's on OneDrive. So it looks for documents on the OneDrive directly from the interface of search bar. Traditionally, Windows users have been using Alt key plus tab or Windows key plus tab to switch between various applications on their desktop. Windows 10 makes the job easier. So there is a task view at the bottom. Click on it and there are various applications which will open in front of your screen. Not just that, you can also create a new desktop from here and then switch between various desktops and do your work. Like Google Now and Siri, Windows 10 has got a personal search assistant called Cortana. I'll show you how it works. I have already enabled it on my system. If you would like to do it, I did a tutorial on it few days back. Check out the link in the description below. Hey Cortana, can you please compose an email to Ashish Verma that I am reaching your office tomorrow at 2 p.m.
Here's your email, send it, add more, or make changes.
Send.
I have sent it.
That's how cool it was to send an email to a person who is on my contact list. Next feature that I'm going to talk about is how to run multiple applications on the same screen and simultaneously work on it, which is the split screen feature on Windows 10. To split a screen, hold the title bar from the top and bring it to the corner of one side, middle side, and drop it there. Here I am on Amazon.com. I can look through the features of a laptop and at the same time make notes on Google Keep. Similarly, I can open up to 4 windows on the same screen. Another feature is the new Xbox One application. It has the ability to control Xbox One. You will need to sign in with a Microsoft account. I have already done that. To start the recording while you are playing game, simply press Windows key and G and start the recording. For users who use Windows 10 on touchscreen devices or tablets will find the next feature useful, and it's about locking your device with picture password. For that, go to settings from the start menu, then accounts, sign in options, scroll down and you will see picture password there. Add it, enter your current password, draw a gesture and you are good to go. I have already done a tutorial on this subject. You will find the link of the same in the description below. Next feature that I am going to talk about is very useful for people who always want to stay on top of notifications, and it's about Action Center notifications. There is an Action Center on the bottom right. Here it is. Once there is a new notification, it turns white. Click on it and these are the various things you can do. For example, make changes in brightness, access your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Node Connect and many more things. And these are the emails that I have configured on my Action Center. So I get my Gmail, I get my Hotmail, all my mails on my Action Center itself. I check all my mail notifications here. I'll show you how to configure it. For that, go to the start menu, then settings, accounts, scroll down, and I've already configured my Outlook and Hotmail. You will need to click on add an account, select the email client that you want to add, and rest is self-explanatory. If you find any issue on sync, you can check a detailed tutorial done by me on this subject, which is about how to sync your emails on Windows 10. Let me now show you how to access your mails when sync is done. For that, type mail on the search bar, and these are my two mailboxes, Outlook and Gmail. 10th feature on my list is for people who use a lot of command prompt, and I'm sure they are going to love it, and it's about copy and paste on command prompt. On the search bar, type command prompt and open it. Here I am. I'm going to copy this. It's about opening Wi-Fi profiles. I can easily paste it on the command prompt by doing a short key Control and V from keyboard, and it's pasted. Enter. Here are the Wi-Fi profiles. Let me do a copy and paste on the second command, which is about Wi-Fi drivers. Control C from a Word document and Control V on command prompt and enter. These are the Wi-Fi drivers. This copying option of command prompt from Word document and pasting it on command prompt was never so easy on other versions of Windows. These were my personal top 10 on Windows 10. If you feel there is a feature which should list among the top 10 on Windows 10, do put that in comments below. I would love to hear from you. Also watch other interesting videos on Windows 10 by clicking on the links that you see in front of your screen. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.